Welcome to this overview of dashboards. In this video, we're going to show you how to change between various pre-configured dashboards in the platform, as well as how to build your own custom dashboard. When you first log into the platform, you are presented with the default dashboard for each cloud provider. The default dashboard is a simple way to visualize your cloud infrastructure with at-a-glance reporting on accounts, services, and assets that provide an overview of your cloud costs and services. In addition to viewing the default dashboard, you can use this drop-down to select a new dashboard to view by selecting one of the pre-configured dashboards or any saved custom dashboards. We'll go over building a custom dashboard in just a moment. Let's take a look at one of the pre-configured dashboards called Google Overview. The Google Overview dashboard provides a different arrangement than the default Google Cloud dashboard and shows the cost history report and the history invoice report as interactive charts. If you like the layout of the Google Overview and would like to set this dashboard as the default dashboard, you can click on the bookmark icon in the top right of the screen to save this dashboard as the default. This way, the next time you log into the platform and select the Google Cloud tab, the Google Overview dashboard will be the first dashboard you see. If neither the default dashboard or any of the pre-configured dashboards provide the high-level information that you or your organization needs, you can create a custom dashboard. To do so, click on the ellipsis next to the bookmark icon and select New. Here you can build your own customized dashboard. You can create multiple dashboards tailored for specific users. For example, you could create a dashboard that is solely focused on usage and create another that looks at performance. Additionally, custom dashboards can display data in multiple ways, including bar charts, pie charts, or tabular data. A custom dashboard can provide multi-cloud information, so if your organization utilizes more than one cloud provider, you can pull all of that information into one centralized screen. It is important to note, however, that even though dashboards can report on multiple cloud providers, they are not available in the other cloud tenants in the platform. This means if I create a custom dashboard here under the Google tenant and then toggle over to AWS, this custom dashboard will not be available to view under that tenant. Given this, we recommend building your custom dashboard in the tenant you use most often if you intend to utilize information from other cloud providers within the custom dashboard. Your custom dashboard can be comprised of several different rows. Each row allows you to select an arrangement for the columns in that row. You arrange your row to consist of 1 to 3 columns. Click on the Change Row Columns icon to select from different layout options for the columns in that row. I'm going to select the 2-column layout with a much larger column on the left side. Once you've set the layout, move up to the Widgets section of the Dashboard Builder. Here you can choose from 2 types of widgets to drop into your columns and rows. One option is to drag and drop an interactive chart. The other is to bring in a rack. A rack offers summary totals. Let's first start by dragging in an interactive chart. As you configure your interactive chart, you will see options to set your filters and set a report type. Under Filters, the Cloud dropdown allows you to select which cloud provider you want this widget to report on. As you can see, Google Cloud Platform is already selected for this interactive chart. We can select which type of cost report we want this interactive chart to show. For example, you can select Compute Engine Cost or the Cost History Report. For this interactive chart widget, I'm going to select the Cost History Report, which automatically updates the name of the widget. Select the Add button, and now I have the GCP Cost History Report as a chart in my dashboard. For the column on the right side, let's drag in a rack. Like we did for the interactive chart, we'll use the Cloud dropdown under Filters to set the cloud provider. Then you select which type of summary totals you want this widget to show. For Google, you can choose from the options for cost or usage. I'll set this rack to show cost summary totals. Select the Add button to add the rack to the column. You'll notice there's some more space in this right column. If I want to, I can add another rack by simply dragging and dropping a new rack below the cost summary block Let's set this rack to report on GCP usage. Select the Add button to add the rack to the column. You can build another row below this first one and keep the same layout for the columns, or choose a different one. Add more rows by clicking on the Add Row link. As you add your rows, drag and drop in your widgets to build a dashboard that reports on the items you want to see. Say, for example, my organization utilizes both GCP and AWS. I could build another row below reporting on similar metrics, but for my AWS infrastructure. Or you can decide to include multiple cloud providers in one row by configuring your columns. The choice is up to you. Once you have the dashboard configured exactly how you want it, select My Dashboard and give your dashboard a custom name. You can choose to make this dashboard private or public. Saving it as a public dashboard will allow anyone using the CloudHealth platform to select this dashboard from the dashboard dropdown that we showed you at the beginning of the video. Save it as private means that the dashboard is only visible to you. After you've set it to public or private, click the Save button. You can now make this your default dashboard by clicking the bookmark icon. If you want to make additional edits or changes, you can click on the Edit icon. The ellipsis allows you to copy the custom dashboard. You can also copy any of the pre-configured dashboards within the Dashboards dropdown if you don't want to build a dashboard from scratch, but rather copy an existing one and then make customizations. You can also download a snapshot of the dashboard as a PNG, or subscribe to it so a snapshot is sent to you by email on a regular cadence. If you no longer need the dashboard, you can delete it. Additionally, you can click on the Dashboards dropdown and select View All Dashboards to go to the Dashboard Manager, where you can see a full list of dashboards available to you. Here you can choose to copy, edit, view, or delete a dashboard. And that completes our overview of dashboards and how to build a custom dashboard. Thanks for joining us.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.